What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and we're going to be talking. I totally forgot that I even had this, but now I just, I was digging through some stuff and I found it. But anyway, we are going to do a 6,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is going to be put on both my channels, so if you are watching, make sure you go to the Arm Fisherman, subscribe to the Arm Fisherman, and send me an email to the armfisherman@gmail.com. And that will get you entered into this Streamlight ProTac HL USB headlamp. It's 1,000, I believe it's 1,000 lumens. 1,000 lumens rechargeable. This was given to me by Gary Pixley. I'll have his link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to his channel as well. And like I said, we are going to be giving this away. And you know the deal on this. I take all the people's information, I put it in a randomizer, I go live, and then we give this away. And what I am trying to do is I'm really trying to build up my second channel, the Arm Fisherman. It's been doing some really good numbers lately. It's still sitting only at 5,000, I think 5,500 subscribers. So we've got 500 more to go before we give this away. Tell your friends. Just to let you know, at the time of this video, I will be going on a 3-city open carry fishing adventure. So I've got a lot of videos that are going to end up on that channel first, so that if you really want to see the see that video, you got to go to the Arm Fisherman. So that being said, make sure you send me an email to the armfisherman@gmail.com, and make sure that you're subscribing to the Arm Fisherman. So I'm going to get out of here. Thanks again, Gary Pixley. And you know the deal. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. All that good stuff. And I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker. Deuces.